back to the channel. Today I am here at Animal Kingdom to check out Pandora. I only been there once. I went on to Flight of Passage, but I really didn't go in depth and details on it. I never got on the Navi River either. So I am here to go have fun. But before we have fun, I am going to Rainforest Cafe and we're gonna have some lunch there. And then we're gonna head in. Let's check out the Rainforest Cafe before we go in. So it took us 15 minutes. That's it. It wasn't packed right now. We're here sitting down. They give us our menu. They have the appetizers, the seafood, soups and salad. If you're into beef, pork and chicken, pastas, sandwich and burgers. They have add-ons and sides. They have desserts if you want a dessert. Also, they have the drinks on a different menu. They got the kids drinks, which is, look how cute these are. The ices, you could get ices in these little tumblers or sippers or whatever you want to call these things. They're cute, but I'm mad because they don't got no giraffe for my daughter Maya, but that's okay, I guess. Smoothies and freezies if you want inside of there. They have lemonade. They have all sorts of stuff. Jada picked the swimming hole, and I chose the Brazilian freeze. I almost said breeze. Ha! We need a breeze. It's really hot outside, but it's freeze. And then if you want to get a little toasty before getting on the Mount Everest roller coaster, they have alcoholic drinks also. They have them in souvenir cups if you want. And then they have, look at these flavors: Blue Nile, Tropical Getaway, Strawberry Mojito, and Fusion Margarita. They have other flavors too. They have the rainbow colada. They got the cheetah Rita. They got cool names for them. So our drinks have arrived. I have drank some of it. It was really good. Mine has like puree, raspberry, banana. It's like a pina colada kind of thing, and has like a cherry. And then Jada Marie is acting like a child. She got herself a light up cup.
She mad because my cup cuter than hers.
I don't care what she says. That's so childish, but that's okay. It's cute. It was only $10.99 and you get a chance to take it home. I mean, it's cute. And I believe it's blue raspberry lemonade.
Yeah, sort of, but like it doesn't taste like a regular lemonade. It's probably like blue raspberry.
That's what I just said.
No, but like you said lemonade, like lemon, but no, it's like blue raspberry and passion fruit. I think it tastes like that. I don't know.
It's not lemon. You don't think it's lemonade?
It's
She
good,
says,
though.
oh, she says good. Mine is definitely good. Yummy. And mine was $12.99. I get a chance to take the cup with me too.
Oh, hey. Okay, so we just got our food. I decided to get a big old appetizer for me. Mommy could get some if she wants, but this is what it is. So it has chimichangas, what I believe is these, artichoke dip in the chips, mozzarella sticks, chicken strips, and since I'm being a little bit greedy, I got ribs. I had to add these on. So without this, it was $21.99, and with it, it was an extra $9.99. Mommy has some shrimp tacos. It has shrimp. It has a jalapeno ranch. It has some cabbage in it. It has a lime on the side, and it has black beans.
And mine was $21.99. So I'm gonna try my taco. I love lime, so I'm gonna put a little bit of lime on there. We'll try the beans later. They're black beans.
I'm gonna grab you the ranch pie.
All right, thank you. I love everything with a lot of sauce. I don't see a lot of the jalapeno ranch, so I add for extra. It smells good. How does it taste? It's good. It's really good. You could taste the cabbage, the dressing, the jalapeno ranch dressing. You can taste it. You can taste the tomatoes in it. It's like really light and fresh. You could taste obviously the lime that I just squirted. This is delicious. I'm gonna try the beans. The black beans.
Her face kind of says it all.
No, it actually has a lot of flavor though. It's kind of watery. Is this supposed to be a salsa? We're gonna have to read into it because it's mixed with onions, tomatoes, beans, and it's like a salsa. It's good.
So I'm gonna try the chimichangas, I think it was.
I hope you're saying it right.
I believe it is. I don't know if I think it's supposed to go with this. I don't know what sauce it is, but I'm gonna try it.
I think it's avocado ranch. We'll have to look into it. What it tastes like?
That was good. It has like a kick to it. I don't know if it's like a chipotle type thing, but that is really good.
What kind of meat is it?
In here, I think it's chicken. It has beans. It has corn. I can see inside of it. Ooh, it's good. Okay.
It's yummy.
We got normal mozzarella sticks, but we're gonna see if they're good. It has marinara sauce. Boom. the mozzarella stick. It didn't really satisfy me because it didn't stretch. But chicken tenders. Let's see how this crunches. Nope. I don't know. I don't know if this is like a honey mustard probably.
Yeah, probably honey mustard.
Imagine if it isn't.
Ha! You put in the wrong thing on the wrong appetizer. What is it? Is it wrong? You put it in the wrong appetizer? You dipped it in the wrong thing?
It tastes like syrup.
It tastes like syrup? We're gonna have to look at the ingredients. I think your taste buds are all
for
off.
real, that tastes like syrup. You want this?
Yeah, I want to taste. Syrup though? I think you're confused.
What's this?
It does smell like I'm smelling it, not even tasting.
It's not bad, but it's just like I wouldn't eat my chicken tenders with it. It gives me chicken and waffle vibes.
Yes, but it's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's not horrible. I just wouldn't eat my chicken tenders with it.
I would. That's
Personally.
delicious, whatever that is.
So next is the artichoke dip. It looks alright. But it's good.
Now for the main event, the ribs.
Got some thick ribs. They got meat on them. Not
Yeah,
like
the one from
yesterday.
Polite. Yeah, from Polite Pig. It made it missed the message. Oh, yo, I sort of got it every video. You just that's how tender it is. She just dropped her rib. How did it taste? How did it taste?
It was good though.
At least it tastes good.
I think my mom wanted it. That's why it failed.
So we just finished eating at the Rainforest Cafe. It was really, really good. I love my tacos. Jenny ate all her, well, no, not all her food because that was a lot of food. She had to leave some of it because I'm not carrying it. So, and she didn't want to carry it. So she left it. She did take her little light up cup. I unfortunately didn't like the raspberry puree drink that I got, the Brazilian freeze. It wasn't for me, so I kind of didn't drink it. I felt bad, but it is what it is. I was just trying something new, and there it is. There you got it. It wasn't good at all for me. Now I'm heading into Pandora and show y'all around. All right, guys, we are entering Pandora. Can you hear the sounds? How cool is it? Besides the humans talking, but can't you hear the insects, the animals? Look at the light post. Do you hear it? Oh my God, this is like so awesome. If you come over here, they have like a little map that says welcome to Valley of Mora. Right here it says do not feed wild animals. At the bottom right there, that's funny. And they have the map where it shows you all the way around the camp. You come over here. They have this plant, this humongous plant that's smoking. You know, at nighttime, I haven't still been here at nighttime. These floors, they glow up, which is a pretty awesome little thing that they do at nighttime here to light up Pandora. Look at how beautiful it is in here. All right, the standby light is 75 minutes long. Hi guys. Thank you. So outside, obviously you don't have to wear a mask, but once we enter the cave, you definitely have to put it on. But look at this view. Look at this view. I mean, like really. This. Just walking up, they have all sorts of things for you to look at. So we have made it into the cave. I think from down the bottom all the way to the cave, it took us like 20 minutes. The line has been moving. Not as slow as I thought it was gonna be. Because when it says 75 minutes, it scares everybody off because, you know, 75 minutes, that's a long time to be standing in a line. But if you go to other parks, their hours are ridiculous right now. Their lines are long. But if you see, look at how nicely themed this cave is. Ooh, I feel air. Wherever that's at, it feels so good. Look how detailed the poles are. And you are inside a building because it's a cave, so you have to wear a mask. And that's the cast member yelling to everyone to make sure that they have their mask on. So we have entered another room. It says use caution, loose rocks and debris. Look how fantastic this is. Look at this. How well themed this is. You hear the birds and all the little animals. The sound and colors in here are phenomenal. I mean, really. Look how fantastic this is. You gotta be here to hear it. It's just crazy. We have entered yet another themed room. Look at this. The lab has all sorts of things that you see. Test tubes. Look at this. That's a big old head. That's us. Hi. Oh, look at this. It's like moving parts in it. Wow, there's so much to see inside of this room. Look at that. It's an avatar. He knows how to hold his breath. You can see him all the way in the back. When I get closer, hopefully I can get it so y'all can see it. They're diehard fans over here. Look at it. Oh, they're taking pictures. Look at him. How awesome is that? Someone knows how to hold his breath. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. Here goes another like desk with all little posties, food, jackets, and all sorts of knickknacks for whoever's office that was. Oh, look at this room. Look how big this is.
Cultivate travelers, may I have your attention, please? Avatar Flight of Passage is currently operating at a reduced capacity. As a result, your progress through the queue may be delayed, and your wait time may be longer than originally anticipated. We apologize for any inconvenience, and thank you for your patience.
Actually, that's probably for the people outside because we're actually near the ride already. So I think that message was for people outside, but look at how awesome this room is decorated. So once we get up there, we're done. We're gonna get on the ride. So that wait was 1 hour and 5 minutes and we're getting on. I can't wait for her to check this ride out. It's really, really awesome.
Okay, sealed genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandora and microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikron and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... Huh? I'll be right back. Put the standby system on, quickly.
Standby. We're looking into delays with the genetic matching system.
Okay, to get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside all the way in and stand over the same number that you're standing over now. And I'll see you in there.
All right, guys, we'll see you when we get off. So we just got off Flight of Passage. It was Jada Marie's first time. What you think?
It was nice.
The effects and stuff like that, fool.
There was a lot of things to see.
The feeling.
They like had a lot of movement and stuff, and around the chair when it was flying, it was nice.
It felt like the wings, like you could feel like the wings.
Yeah, and then the air was going in your
air.
face. My problem was that, like, even if I had the glasses on, it was still a little bit blurry to me. I don't know. I couldn't really see a lot of stuff.
I think it's an awesome ride. I love it. I guess to each his own, but I love the effects it
It
gives
was
you.
worth it though.
Huh?
It was worth the wait.
Yeah, it's worth the wait. It's a lot of motion, feelings like when it drops.
Yeah, so if you're not willing to be moving a lot,
Yeah, motion sickness. I don't want to come out. Motion sickness. Don't even
Scare
try it.
heights or-
Scare heights or any of that. Don't try it. This ride is not for you. So we're gonna head into Wind Traders, which you could enter when you get off the Flight of Passage ride from the back, but I wanted to come to the front just to check it out, just to walk in. Look at this. They got the ears, $29.99. Look at how cute this is. Oh, look at, is this glow in the dark? Yeah, flashing light effects. That's awesome right here. I love these kind of toys. Ooh.
oh look, it's glowing.
$23.47, but I just touched it to move to look and it just started glowing. Does that one do it too? No.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, but you
gotta
don't want
take
to
that
turn it
thing
on.
out.
Yeah, but this one already, somebody must have touched it because it's flashing already. You see it? And also they're in colors. You see there's brown. I don't know what this color is, but it tells you up there how much they are. You see, the brown one's $30. So this one here is 30 bucks. Let's head over here.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, they got little tiny play sets of Pandora. The creatures of Pandora. 12. What is that? $12.99. Dana Marie found a viper wolf. Oh, let me see the back of it.
Boom. Ouch.
How much is it? How cute.
It is $29.99.
Oh, let's head over here because I'm over here heading into the register. They have little play sets if you have room in your luggage. Ooh, they have mystery pens of Pandora. Everybody knows I love mystery pens. Look how cute this is. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. I like the color.
Is this a shirt or a dress?
No, it's a shirt.
It's a little shirt. This
It
is
is.
small.
Is it?
Yeah.
$39.99. It is pretty big. Look up here. Here you can build your own Navi bracelet or necklace. You can just pick whatever you want underneath there. And it says different prices, $2.99, $1.99. You just make it yourself. That's pretty cool. And obviously they always have the candy, the themed candy. This one is blueberry almond. Oh, it has almonds, duh. It says almond. Blueberry almond popcorn, $6.99. And didn't we see these purses at the warehouse? Yes, indeedy. We did see it. It was like for $40. Whew, come over here and buy them. $150. They try to get you guys. Look at all the little plants. Ooh, look at these nice shiny little rocks. Wow. They have a lot of stuff in here. I know. I love this. But do I have any sneakers that match this? $49.99. Right? With as many sneakers that we got. I definitely might have a pair to match it. Let's head over here real quick before we go to the Navi River. That ride I have not got on, so I'm like super excited to get on. They got mugs. Oh, look at this. Those are not for sale, guys, obviously. Ooh, if you want some crystals or rocks or any little, what are these? Yeah, they're rocks and crystals. Okay, $4.99. All right, guys, let's head out and get on this Navi River. Here we are at the Navi River, and it says 35 minutes, better than 75. Look at all these lights. The fixtures, like how awesome there is. I'm so excited, guys. I've never got on this. All right, guys, we're entering another cave. Let's see how long this is. Let's see what we find up in this cave. Well, we must be close because there's like the little warning signs that says, you know, remain seated at all times. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Let's see what's on the other side of this little wall that we can't see. Oh, you can smell the chlorine. So yay, there it goes. We're almost there, guys.
Please supervise con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del baño y supervisen a sus niños. Gracias.
Dinero fare vi na renting lao.
So we just got off on Navi River. It was a cute ride. It gave me it's a small world boat ride kind of feel. It was cute for what it was. We didn't wait no more than 25 minutes. Instead it had a 35-minute wait. It was Jada Marie's first time, my first time. So what do you think?
It's okay. It was real basic to me. I don't know. The theming was good, but it was just like a boat ride.
A short boat ride at that. It wasn't even like really long. Man, I give it a 5. I would never get on it. Well, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to at least get on it one more time because I have to bring Brianna and my Elise. But after that, I probably would never get on it again unless there's like a overlay surprise kind of thing going on. If not, So guys, that concludes my video for today. Thank you for watching. Follow me on all my platforms, and remember, I do have that cooking channel for the love of cooking. Please follow me there. And if you're new, please, it's always free to press that subscribe button. I couldn't get out. The subscribe button. All right, and press that notification bell so you are aware of all my new videos. You guys have a nice day. Bye.